Before slides, before selling. There's a reason your masterclasses don't land in the way you want them to. Because real learning isn't about information. It's about engagement. It's about designing the conditions where discovery happens in real time, where people stop consuming and start experiencing. That's what this is, the Masterclass Revolution. Step in and feel what teaching in the new paradigm is all about. It's not another lecture, it's not theory, it's transformation. It's a revolution in learning and teaching. Are you ready to teach differently?